Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make is shrimp chutney. This is a very simple and easy recipe to be made, and this goes well with rice. So let's see how's it done. So come on along with us. To make our shrimp chutney, we need to take 50 grams of dried shrimp that is thoroughly washed and cleaned and dried. Next, we need to light a stove and place a pan. Next, we are going to fry our shrimp. We are not going to deep fry our shrimp, but we are going to do a shallow fry. Initially, we don't add oil. We place the shrimp into the frying pan to evaporate all the moisture in the shrimp. Then we add oil on a later stage. We begin the frying process by stirring the shrimp continuously. Now the shrimp is dry. Next we need to add the oil. Next we add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. In fact, we have added coconut oil, but however you are free to use any other oil of your choice. By adding coconut oil, the shrimp chutney will taste different. We have to continuously fry it, but we shouldn't fry it to such an extent it should be too crunchy. Continue to fry the shrimps, and at this stage we can add 1 teaspoon of salt. On a later stage, you can add more salt if needed. Now stir the ingredients together. We have been frying our shrimp for the last 10 minutes on low flame. Next we add a pinch of turmeric. We sprinkle the turmeric across the pan. We add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add chili powder based on your taste. Continue to mix all the ingredients together. We are frying all the ingredients on low flame, and if we place it on high flame, there is every chance of the chili powder getting burnt. Continue to fry the shrimp on low flame until the shrimp gets fried, as well as the raw taste of the chili powder goes away. Now the shrimp is finely cooked, as well as the raw taste of the chili powder is gone away. In order to check whether the shrimp is fully cooked, you can just bite it and you can see how crunchy it gets. Then you know the shrimp is cooked. We need to continuously fry this for 2 to 3 minutes before we move to the next step. Next we add 1 handful of grated coconut. Continue to mix all the ingredients once again. Please take care to ensure that the coconut does not get too cooked. To this, we are adding 1 handful of onions. These are the small onions that we have peeled, and this will enhance the taste of our chutney. We can add normal onions to this chutney, but adding small onions will always enhance the taste of this chutney. Continue to mix all these ingredients for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can switch off the stove, and once the ingredients are cooled down, we can place it in a mixer grinder. Now the ingredients are cooled down. The next step would be to transfer all the ingredients into the mixer bowl. Once all the ingredients are placed in the mixer bowl, we add a small piece of tamarind to the ingredients. After adding the tamarind, we should only just crush the ingredients and there shouldn't be any water in it, or we shouldn't make it into a paste. Now the ingredients are half crushed. Also, few pieces of shrimp needs to be crushed. Next we add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, after which we'll crush the ingredients one more time. Now our shrimp chutney is almost ready. Next we need to place the ingredients on a serving bowl. This shrimp chutney tastes excellent with rice, along with the combination of curd or pulisheri. This is gonna taste awesome. Also, don't forget to try out this recipe and let us know in the comment section below how it came out. Well, we hope you liked watching our video and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making this shrimp chutney pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe at home. Also, don't forget to enter your comments in the comment section below. This will really give us a boost to try out new recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Happy weekend. Bye bye.